You're watching How Leap. Here's the best way to block a contact on Google Meet. Google Meet itself does not have a direct block feature within a meeting. However, you can prevent specific users from joining your meetings. When you create a meeting in Google Calendar, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing before sending the invitation. Click the meeting link to open the details. Click Change Conference Settings or More Options. Under People, you can specifically add only the email addresses of those you want to invite, excluding the person you wish to block. For added security, turn off quick access in the meeting settings before starting. This prevents anyone with the link from joining without your approval in the waiting room. During a live meeting, as the host, you can remove a participant by clicking on their video tile, selecting Remove, and then checking the box to prevent them from rejoining. To block someone from contacting you across Google services, go to their profile in Gmail or Google Chat and block them there, which can restrict their ability to interact with you in Meet. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.